Amazing. Oh, yan ang maganda. Super amazing. Oh, laki ng amor. Ang galing, Brad.
Gabi yan.
Aba.
Ilan mo yan? Oh. Paano na ngayon yan?
Oh, sure, yeah.
Wow! Maybe 1 kilo.
Good luck. Nako ka.
Ultralight.
Ultralight. Ultralight lang yan. At syempre, lure by
Adi fishing.
Yeah, boy.
Careful. Huh? Yeah, Adi. Abdullah.
Ah,
See, light. Maybe some gravity. Last time. Light inside. Toss. First time eating, see?
oh yes, limasag.
Gravity.